long. Our synthetic world is now fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in our way. This pathetic lump of a planet. Due to some blunder of a fate, it happens to occupy the galaxy's most perfect orbit. But no more. Behold, the deep planetizer, the most powerful lazies ever created. Soon, we will move the deep planetizer into place just above the planet's surface. I will, of course, be on hand to press the button that will blow this mud ball to smithereens. No one will even miss it. See you then.
Ratchet, are you all right?
He is going to pay.
Excuse me?
It shouldn't have taken me this long to see it. Drek is going to find out what happens when you mess with my home. What are you smiling at?
This is the Ratchet I always knew was there.
Okay, if we're gonna do this, we need to get on the Drek's ship. Then we can find out where he set up that laser.
I will try to make you proud, Bob.